Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you find your wallet on your Goodnovel app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here. You go above this sign, click on it here, just click on it. So, sorry, when you click here in this, you go down, sorry, you click here on profile down here. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on my wallet, click in this sign. So then here you will find your wallet here. I have nothing here in my wallet. I just have this bonus here. But if you have it, if you have coins and bonus, you will find it in this list on your Goodnovel app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.